to plot or to graph your line, no? Okay, just like this example, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. So if I will give you 5 kilometers, then magbigay ako ng scaling doon. That means your line should be measured 5 centimeters dapat. Eh, nakascale man tayo ang 1 kilometer kay 1 centimeter. So this 5 centimeter arrow is 5 kilometers in reality. So again, next week, kaya nga, nag-require ako sa inyo magdala ng ruler kasi there will be a scaling of your graph na mangyayari. Kasi if I will give you a situation like 25 kilometers northwest. So yung 25 kilometers na line, you should measure that one, no, based on the scale na ibibigay ko. Again, you should solve that one based on the scale na ibibigay ko. Then i-graph mo yung example 60 degrees northwest. You're going to graph that one 60 degrees northwest. Okay, and with the use of protractor, you can get a perfect graph for 60 degrees. And now please watch the video on how to graph, how to measure an angle using protractor. Kasi magpo-protractor kayo. Pag mali ang pag-measure sa angle, pag di kayo mao, mali diretso yung answer. Okay, this one, identify where to place the vector based on its direction. By the way, ila-ila din mo ha, basta mo kabaloan no? Mo ni si north, mo ni si south, mo ni si west, mo ni si east. Ang uban kay mabaliktad pa. Again, north, south, west, east. Again ha, ila-ila din mo ha. Kaya ilain ka ay pag-abot og quiz, kung mo kabalo asa ang north. Okay, north, south, east, west. In terms of angle, the east is 0 degree, the north is 90 degrees, the west is 180 degrees, and then the south is 270 degrees. So review your lesson in trigonometry. Again, review your lesson in trigonometry. So yung east, 0 degree, yung north, equivalent to 90, yung west, 180, and the 270 is your south. Okay, let's continue. So the direction of the vector is expressed as an angle of rotation either from the north, south, east, west. Again, the direction of the vector is expressed as an angle of rotation either from the north, south, east, west. So this is an example of the direction of the vector. Again, direction of the vector. Yung angle, take note of this one ha. Yung angle ng direction of the vector is always less than 90 but greater than 0. Again, the angle of the direction of the vector is always less than 90 but greater than 0. So 30 degrees northwest, mao ni iyang graph. Again, 30 degrees northwest, mao ni iyang graph. Now, bakit north of west? Okay. North of west siya. This is the, in trigonometry, we have this what called the initial point at saka the terminal point. Okay? The initial point here is nag-start sa west. Again, the initial point nag-start sa west. Asa man siya adto? Yung arrow, saan siya papunta? Again, nag-start sa west, papunta siya sa north. Take note ha, ngani ang pagbasa. Nag-start siya sa west, papuntang north. That is why it's northwest. Again, nag-start sa west, papuntang north. That is why northwest or north of west. Okay? Tingnan ninyo buhaton next week. I-graph ninyo ni siya. Dapat 30 degrees jud. Dili ko sugot nga tagaan ko ninyo. Tagaan ta mo given at 30 niya. Ang graph kay 20. That's wrong. Ano sa nahimong 20 ang 30? Okay? So again, that is why it's very crucial or important ang use of protractor next week. Again, ang pagbasa, north of west because nag-start sa west, papuntang north. Tanawa ang arrow kung saan siya papunta. Okay, saan siya papunta? To the moon. Again ha, yan, that's the way, no? how are you going to read the rotation, no? Okay, of the direction of the vector. Then we have also by angles. Again, by angles. And in your precalculus, um, to to graph an angle, based on the based on your lessons sa precalculus, you should always start at the standard position, which is the positive x-axis, which is the east direction. Again, in graphing angle, we should always start at the east direction, or in the standard position, which is the positive x-axis. So 150 degrees, take note quadrant 2 siya. So ang east is, this is the quadrant 1, di ba? Sorry, this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Take note, please review your lesson about reference angle. So, again 150 degrees is located at quadrant 2. Sir, bakit pala quadrant 2 pala dyan, sir? Diba? We have this one, diba? Ang east is equivalent to how many degrees? The east is equivalent to 0 degree. Or 0 degree or 360 degrees. The north is 90 degrees. The west is 180 degrees. The south is 270 degrees. So please review your lessons sa precal ninyo. So that means 150 is in between 90 and 180 degrees. That means 150 degrees is located at quadrant 2. And the way you graph this angle, you are going to start at the east direction, or you are going to start at the positive x-axis, which is that's according to the, based on the standard position in graphing angle. Okay? Now, I want to give you this one, no? This is just a guide kasi magamit ni siya especially sa tuwang lesson next meeting. Again, magamit ni siya especially next meeting na to na lesson. Kasi ang ginabigay lang man doon, ang ginabigay kasi ng given is kanang vector with direction. So I want you to convert vector with ganyan? I mean, ang given is a direction of the vector to angle. Again yung given is naka-direction of vector then to angle. I want you to to convert. Paano siya i-convert siya, direction of vector to an angle. Just like this one, itong 30 degrees north of west. Again, 30 degrees north of west. Yan. What's the equivalent angle of this one? Again, 30 degrees north of west. What's the equivalent angle of this one? So by using the formula, the given is north of west. So ito. Again, the given is north of west. So ito siya. So ang gagawin nyo lang is 180 minus the given angle. That means 30 degrees north of west is equivalent to 150 degrees. Again, 30 degrees north of west is equivalent to 150 degrees. Another example. Ito class, kindly solve this one daw, be. What's the equivalent angle of this one? 27 degrees south of east. Again, 27 degrees south of east. What's the equivalent angle of this one? Again, 27 degrees south of east. What's the equivalent angle of this one? Sige daw, be, based diri sa akong gihatag. Okay, very good. Ang gawin nyo lang is i-subtract. South of east kasi siya, south of east. Again, south of east. So, kani siya ang gamiton. That's 360 degree minus 27 degrees. That's 333 degrees. Okay, sir. So 27 degrees south of east is equivalent to 330 degrees. Now, kani akong question. What if angle akong ihatag? What if angle akong ihatag like 120 degrees? What's the equivalent direction of vector of this one? Again, what if the given is 120 degrees? What's the direction of the vector of this one? The answer is dalawa. Again, there are two possible answers for this one, the 120. Again, there are two possible answers for 120. Ayaw lang siya i-round off ni, sorry, Juliana. Again, 120 degree. What if baliktad ha? Again, what if baliktad? We are going to convert the angle into its direction of vector. So, what are the possible direction of vector? Dalawa yung sagot. Okay, dalawa yung sagot. If we will graph 120 degrees, asa siya na quadrant? Again, 120 degrees, asa siya na quadrant? Quadrant 2. Very good. Nasa sa northwest na part. Again, northwest na part. 120 degrees is located at quadrant 2. If we will graph 120 degrees, of course, mag-start na diri. Yan. That color green is 120 degrees. Now, again ha, I've mentioned earlier, this 120 degrees, there are two possible answers for direction of vector. So what are those? Using reference angle. Remember pa mo sa reference angle? Pag quadrant 1, the reference angle is the given angle. For quadrant 2, the reference angle is 180 minus theta. For quadrant 3, the reference angle we have theta minus 180. And for quadrant 4, we have 360 minus theta. In this case, our given is 120 degrees and it is located at quadrant 2. To get the reference angle, that's 180 degrees minus 120. The reference angle is 60 degrees. Now, this 60 degrees is ito. This is the 60 degrees. Kani. Naka-color yellow. Again, pag naka-color yellow, that is your 60 degrees. Kung saan man 60 degrees what? What's the direction? Asa man ka na-start? Sa west. Again, nag-start ka sa west papuntang north. Again, nag-start ka sa west papuntang north. That is, again ha, nag-start ka sa west papuntang north. That means 120 degrees is equivalent to 60 degrees north of west. Again, 120 degrees is equivalent to 60 degrees north of west. Now, pila kulang sa 60 para mahimong 90? Pila ang kulang ni 60 para mahimong 90? 30. The other direction is 30 degrees west of north. Ano lang ang shortcut? Okay? The other degree is 30 degrees west of north, which is the graph is located here. Again, the graph of that one is ito. Ang naka-orange kani. Ana. Okay, that is 30 degrees west of north. That's how you will determine the equivalent direction of vector of a given angle. Sige, let's proceed to our next example. Ito, illustrate the displacement of an insect that crawled 3 centimeters to the west. Okay, gawa tayo ng Cartesian plane. This one, and this is our Cartesian plane. Yan. Alam naman natin that this is north, this is west. Okay? So, if we will graph 3 centimeters to the west, so ito yung sagot natin. 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters west. Okay, that's the graph. Same with this one. Ang mosquito flew 6 centimeters upward. Alam naman natin that the upward means going to the north or going pataas. So, ang graph natin is ganito. If we will graph this example, so 6 centimeters upward. Ito. Okay, 6 centimeters upward. Okay, let's have a review again about this one. So here, 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 to 70, then the whole rotation is 360 degrees. Then north, south, east, west. Again ha, north, south, east, west. Makalimot mo ha. Here, please take note of this one. I will give you time to copy this. Okay, I will give you time to copy this one. Okay, para ma-estadihan ninyo. Now, based on your Preka lesson, if the rotation of an angle is going counterclockwise, the angle is positive. Again, the rotation of your angle is going counterclockwise, the angle is positive. If clockwise naman siya, the angle is negative. Again, pag counterclockwise, the angle is positive. Pag clockwise, the angle is negative. Sige. Kindly chart the direction of this one. Again, the given magnitude is 45 degrees what? So mani, what's the direction? Again, what's the direction? Kindly chart your answer. What's the answer? Asa man nag-start? Ay, mga tao. Take note of the technique ha. Again, take note of the technique. Tanawang naka-color green. Ano nga arrow ba? Tanawan yung naka-color green nga arrow. Kana, tanawan na siya. Asa man siya nag-start? Sa east. Sa east siya nag-start ha. Saan siya papunta? To the moon. Vroom, vroom. Okay. Nasa siya padulong? Saan siya papunta? Papuntang north. Again ha. The initial point or the starting point is nasa east. Hoy, class east niya, east na. Asa siya padulong? North. So, nag-start sa east, papuntang north, that means the answer is 45 degrees north of east. Again ha, nag-start sa east, papunta siya ng north, that's north of east. Ingana ang pagbasa. Okay? Next. Ha? It started from east up to north, that is why it's north of east. Nakuha ha, nakuha. Kanang green ang tanawa. Next. This one, 120 degrees. Again, 120 degrees. I already teach you know how to get the direction of vector of this one. What's the equivalent direction of vector of this one? The technique is get the reference angle, then i-minus lang pagkama og 90, makuha na mo another na equivalent direction of ano. Okay? Kindly solve this one, the equivalent direction of vector. There are two possible answers for this. Again, there are two possible answers for this. Okay? Sige, let's check your answer. Asa naman si answer? 120 degrees is located at quadrant 2. Okay, the formula is that 180 minus theta. So 180 degrees minus 120, the answer is 60 degrees. This 60 degrees is mauni. Ano siya? Mauni ang 60 degrees na may arrow na color pula. This is 60 degrees. So 120 degrees is equivalent to 120 degrees is equivalent to 60 degrees. Asa maka nag-start? Nag-start ka sa, ano siya? West, di ba ni? West, no? West. Mo ni ang north. Okay? Nag-start ka sa west, papuntang north. Then, nag-start ka sa west dito, papuntang north. That is why it's 60 degrees northwest. Kung say kulang sa 60 para ma-90. Anong kulang? It's 30. So the other direction is 30 degrees west of north. Again, the other one is 30 degrees west of north, which is kani. Muna ang 30 degrees na color yellow. Yan. Okay? Tingnan na ang shortcut ha, para di mo mas-stress. Another example. Another example is this. Kind of solve. Again, another example, this one kind of solve. Pag practice mo graph, kinaing ani sa quiz next week. Yes, Juliana, duhag gihapon na. Again, ingani class ha, class, take note of this one. Kung angle ang given class, pangitaon ninyo ang duha. Duha ka direction of vector na equivalent. Again, kung ang angle ang given, ang pangitaon ninyo is the dalawang direction of vector. Sige. 240 degrees is located at quadrant 3, right? 240 degrees is located at quadrant 3. The formula for the reference angle for this is theta minus 180 degrees. So theta is 240 minus 180. The reference angle is 60 degrees. This 60 degrees is mauni siya. Mauni ang 60 degrees. 60 degrees what? What's the direction? Okay? Asa ka nag-start? Nag-start ka sa west. Okay? Nag-start ka sa west. Again, nag-start ka sa west, padulong sa south, that means 60 degrees southwest. Again, 240 degrees is equivalent to 60 degrees southwest. Then, kung kulang para 90, it's 30 degrees. That means the other equivalent direction of vector of this one is 30 degrees west of south. Muna siya, oh. 30 degrees west of south kay mauna siya kani. Ana ka ng color yellow. It's 30 degrees west of. Okay? Kindly copy before we will proceed to the, other examples rather. Sige, let's proceed. Ito. A car moved 12.5 kilometers, 35 degrees south of west. 35 degrees south of west. Illustrate this displacement. So, ingani ang mga situation next week, no? Nakaingani siya, tapos graph ninyo. 12.5 kilometers, 35 degrees south of west. Let's graph. Let's create first a Cartesian plane. Okay. This is north. This is south. This is west. This is east. East is how many? What's the angle of east? 0 degree or 360. North is 90 degrees. The west is 180 degrees. And the south is 270 degrees. Now, our given is 12.5 kilometers. That's the magnitude. Now, 35 degrees south of west. Class, 35 degrees south of west, what's the equivalent angle? Again, 35 degrees south of west. What's the equivalent angle? Saman. Okay? Class, 35 degrees south of west. Dara ba kani ba o use this one kung gihatag na ko kani yung gamiton, ha? Again, kaninyong gamiton, ha? Kung direction of vector ang given, padulong siya sa angle, mauna yung gamiton. O magpasalamat mo, gibuhatan na ta mong ingani, di mo maglisod. Ha? Let's go back to the problem. Here. 12.5 kilometers, 35 degrees south of west. Okay? South of west man siya. That means 180 degree plus 35 degrees. Again, south of west man siya, 180 degree plus 35. That's 215 degrees. So 35 degrees south of west equivalent to 215 degrees. Again, 35 degrees south of west is equivalent to 215 degrees. Now, let's graph this 215 degrees first. Okay? Let's graph this 215 degrees. Pangita mo og protractor ha na kuan. Mabot og 360. 215 degrees is located at quadrant 3, which is dara. Okay? That's 215 degrees and the magnitude is 12.5. This is 12.5 kilometers. Yan. So, sir, kung mo na ang graph sa 215 degrees, asa man ang graph sa 35 degrees south of west? 35 degrees south of west. O sa ibig sabihin na south of west? Nag-start ka sa saan? South of west means nag-start sa unsa? West papuntang south. Tama, very good. Again, south of west means nag-start ka sa west papuntang south. So, dito. Ay, naklase dahil ni. Excuse me. Okay, let's continue. Again, south of west means nag-start ka sa west papuntang south. Okay, so that means ingani imong arrow ha, nag-start ka dapat sa west, tapos imong arrow papuntang south. Okay, I am very particular sa arrow because that's the direction. Ha? Bantay lang mo sa kung quiz next week. Mas mali yung arrow. Again, west, south of west means nag-start sa west papuntang south. And this one, this is your 35 degrees. Again, this is, wait lang, let me change. Kipangit ako agi. This is 35 degrees. Ano sa taas ha? This is 35 degrees south of west. Again ha, yung arrow is nag-start sa west papuntang south. That is why south of west. That's based on our given. Yan. Okay, question? Because next week you will be having just like this. Mag-graph kayo ng ganito. So question before we will proceed to another example. Sige, let's have another example for you to practice. Let's have this one. A person traveled a total of 28 kilometers, 85 degrees south of east. Illustrate the vector. So graph this one. Again, a person traveled a total of 28 kilometers, 85 degrees south of east. Illustrate the vector. So the first thing, you need to create a Cartesian plane. And for you to, hindi kayo malito, you put label, no? Para hindi kayo malito, ha? Put label. This is north. This is south. This is west. This is east. Okay? Kung hindi kayo malito. Then, let's write the given by the way. 28 kilometers. 85 degrees south of east. Ano ibig sabihin ng south of east? Ano ibig sabihin ng south of east? Nag-start ka sa east papuntang south, right? Very good. Nag-start ka sa east papuntang south. That's south of east. However, we need to determine the equivalent angle of this one. Again, 85 degrees south of east. What's the equivalent angle? Again, 85 degrees. What's the equivalent angle? That's what? Very good. It's minus, no? That's correct. 360 degrees minus 85 degrees. That's 275 degrees. And that is located at quadrant 4. Because to think also, southeast is located at quadrant 4. So the equivalent angle is 275 degrees. So let's graph 275 degrees. Nadiri ang 275 degrees. Yan. Ana siya. And this color green, this is the magnitude, which is 28 kilometers. Again, 28 kilometers. Okay. Next week, you will use scaling, ha? Next week, you will use scaling. Depende sa scale, or depende sa instruction na gibutan ko dito. Like, ito, 28 kilometers. Ang nakabutan dito sa scale na, for every 7 kilometers kay 1 centimeter. That means dapat ang pag-measure niyo dapat is 4 centimeters. Again, what if ang scale nakalagay doon is for every 7 kilometers kay for every 7 kilometers kay 1 centimeter. And for every 7 kilometers equivalent to 1 centimeter. So that means there is 28 kilometers here. So the scale should be 4 centimeters. Dapat ang measure sa inyong line 4 centimeters pod. Again, ang measure sa inyong line kay 4 centimeters pod. Kung tarungan ninyo og graph kay akong i-measure pod na. Kung di na siya equivalent, like example dito, 4 centimeters, malian dyan ako. Same with the angle. The angle is 85 degrees south of east. Then, nangutan ako sa inyo kanina, south of east means nag-start ka sa east papuntang south. Again, nag-start ka sa east papuntang south. Dara. Again, nag-start ka sa east papuntang south. That means this is 85 degrees south of east. And dapat pag-graph ninyo 85 degrees jud siya. Dili 80, dili 83, dili 84, 85 jud. That is why you need to use protractor. And again, please search on the internet how to use protractor. Okay, question about this one. Namoy nga na sa yung quiz next meeting. So, again na mag-practice mo ha, kaya na crucial siya sa inyo na case. Kung di mo ka-answer, God bless. Anyway, let's continue. Ito, two cars no covered. I mean, graph this one in one Cartesian plane. Graph these two displacement in one Cartesian. Let's create Cartesian plane. Let's have car A. Car A is 550 kilometers. And 195 degrees is, what's the equivalent angle? What's the equivalent? What's the equivalent direction of vector? Dalawa, di ba? Dalawa. Dalawa yung sagot dito. 195 degrees is equivalent to 15 degrees what? 15 degrees, ano man? Oh. Uy, kasi direction sa 15 degrees. Ha? So 195 degrees is located at quadrant 3, right? Again, 195 degrees is located at quadrant 3. If you are going to graph this 195 degrees, nasa sa quadrant 3. Dara. This is the 500 kilometers. And 15 degrees is ito. Using reference angle, this is 15 degrees. Kani. This one is the 15 degrees. Nag-start ka sa west, papuntang south. Nag-start ka sa west, papuntang south. Again, nag-start ka sa west, papuntang south. That means 195 degrees is equivalent to 15 degrees south of west. Pero duha ang possible answer, ani ha? Duha ang possible answer. 15 degrees south of west o sa may isa. Kung ang isa 15 degrees south of west, very good. The other one is 75 degrees west of south. That's correct. That's correct. So, muna yung graph ha, muna yung graph sa 550 kilometers, 105 degrees. Let's have the car B. Car B is 250 kilometers, 40 degrees south of west. So, car B, 250 kilometers. Then, 40 degrees south of west. This 40 degrees south of west, what's the equivalent angle? Again, this 40 degrees south of west, what's the equivalent angle? Okay, very good. Very good. That's 220. Okay, 220 degrees. If you will graph 220 degrees, it is located at quadrant 3. No? Quadrant 3 siya. So, most likely, andito siya na part. Yan. This is 250 kilometers. And that's 220 degrees. Okay? Kaning color blue, ay, change ko lang yung change ko lang. Ito. Darker lang na blue. Itong darker na blue, this one, that is your 40 degrees south of west. South of west means nag-start ka sa west, papuntang south. Again, nag-start ka sa west, papuntang south. And that's the graph. Okay? And that's the graph of our given example. Okay, can you copy before we will proceed to the vector addition, the another lesson?